me something. How come half on no break up, but on still asleep together, on still show up at each other yard, on still do things for each other, on do relationship things, but you are not together? Make it make sense to me. Jamaican people, let's be real. We don't believe in breakups. We might take a little break, but then two twos, you start linking back together again. It's like clockwork. Relationship in a Jamaica can't done so easy. It's one of the most toxic behaviors out of any other country. Jamaica has the most toxic traits and behavior when it comes to breakups. You might think somebody done, but in reality, they're not. They always find their way back together. They always take a little break, but in reality, they are still together. And if they believe that they are not together with that somebody, that person might not know they're not together. Because if that person realize that you are talking to anybody else, all hell is gonna break loose. In Jamaica, a man and his baby mother might break up fully, break up to the point where that woman might have another man. The funny thing about it is, that woman, that baby mother, is still gonna sleep with that same man that she broke up with. It doesn't even matter what he did. It could have been because he cheated. It could have been because he disrespected her. It doesn't matter. She moved on and have a new man, but then she still runs back to that same man that disrespected her. Make it make sense to me. And this only happened in Jamaica only. Don't think for a split second that is just the woman that will sleep with their baby daddies. The man them still will sleep with their baby mothers too. It's a vice versa thing. So Jamaican relationship not really end like that. It just gets more toxic. And why this happens is because Jamaicans don't really believe in clear breakups. There's always a gray area. Nobody don't really come forth and say, we're done, we are no longer seeing each other. You see who you want to see, I see who I want to see. It's never like that with a Jamaican. There's always a gray area. There's always somebody left wondering. Let's be real. In Jamaica, toxicity is mistaken for love. It's known and it's facts. Majority of whomever watching this video right now, I can guarantee, has been in this situation before. Or they know of somebody who's been in this situation before. Somebody who can't break up. Somebody who keeps going back together. Somebody who has left a relationship, have a new partner, and still go back to whomever they were with, or cheating with that same person that they broke up with. It's a thing in Jamaica. Let me know if what I'm saying is true. Let me know if what I'm saying is a lie. Let me know if it's facts. Comment and let me know. This is Raw Talk with T-Dog. Like and share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.